Hi everyone, welcome back. So I decided to continue my past paper questions. On this question is on complex numbers. There's a lot of demand among the children who study A2 level. They find complex numbers a bit challenging, and I thought let me solve this question. So part A, it says the complex number u is given by minus 3 minus 2 root 10I, and you need to show all necessary working, and without using a calculator you have to find the square root of u, and you need to give your answer in the form of a plus ib. So basically they give you a complex number and ask you to find another complex number which is related to the given complex number. So you need to apply your complex number skills. Right, let me see how we try and find the answer for this question. So the number which we need to find is root u. So let me say, and they also want it to be in the form of a plus ib. So I will say let square root u be equal to a plus ib, where a and b belong to real numbers. So now therefore root u square is equal to a plus ib whole thing square. This becomes u, which is a square plus 2abi plus I square b square, which is equal to minus 3 minus 2 root 10I. So I square is minus 1, therefore I can separate the real component as a square minus b square plus I times 2ab is equal to minus 3 plus minus 2 root 10I. Now I would say I'm going to equate the coefficients. Equating the coefficients, let me take the real part. So a square minus b square is equal to minus 3. That's equation number 1. My imaginary part, 2ab is equal to minus 2 root 10. So therefore ab equals minus root 10. So my b is equal to minus root 10 divided by a. So let me go further. B is minus root 10 over a, and I got my first equation, a square minus, so my b square is going to be 10 over a square, which is minus 3. So I'm going to convert this into a quadratic equation. A to the power of 4 minus 10 equals to minus 3a square. So it's basically a quadratic equation of a square. So this becomes a to the power of 4 plus 3a square minus 10 equals 0. So I can say a square plus 5 into a square minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore a square equals to minus 5, or a square equals to 2. So this is not possible because a real number, a is a real number, so a square cannot be equal to minus 5. Therefore we can say a square is 2, therefore a is equal to plus or minus root 2. So b shall be minus root 10 over a. So minus root 10 over root 2 is going to be root 5. That's going to be minus root 5, or b is going to be plus root 5. So you have two options for your u. Root u is gonna be root 2 minus root 5i, or root u is equal to minus root 2 plus root 5i. So we end up getting two solutions for the a part. Hope you understand.